On our last episode of Onboard Lifestyle, with hurricanes spinning to the south, it was a good reminder that we need to keep moving north. So we leave Isla Coronados for La Ramada, where we celebrate Emma's birthday and attempt to ride burros at a remote local farm. We leave our mark at the San Juanico Cruiser Shrine before having a wonderful sail to the Santo Domingo anchorage in Bahia Concepcion. That's where we are, so let's pick up things there.
I found my heart again. You were standing there, you bravely let me in. I could wait a million years or more until you came knocking at my door.
It is the summer solstice tonight, and after a wonderful meal, we thought it would be fun to head over to the beach and watch the sun set. This is the longest day of the year, and usually it coincides with Emma's birthday, but this year it's a couple days late, and we always want to celebrate the summer solstice.
Before heading to the beach, Denton from Simplicity came over to Basic to signal the rest of the Santo Domingo fleet that the sun had set.
Now that was perfect. Okay, take two was better.
That one was good.
Don't pass out now.
Yeah.
Deep breath.
We gotta wait for somebody to respond.
Everybody's running for their shells now.
Yeah, they are. I bet.
The sun just went down. It's the exact time.
That was good. I think I have an app for it.
And rest for free. I have an app for that.
There's an app for everything.
The summer solstice beach party was a success. There are 10 boats at anchor today, and 5 of them are cruising families, so it's safe to say that everyone had a good time. We stayed in Santo Domingo for a total of 3 days. There were plenty of other family boats, and as usual, Basic seems to be a magnet for fun.
And then we told the parents, like, don't go back there. So we were like, I didn't go into the RV. I didn't go into the RV, and I think he was calling. And I looked through the Mexican book, and I think he was calling us if we weren't in Spain.
The guys would spearfish every day to keep the fleet well fed.
Holy cow! Holy cow, that's awesome!
Well, there's dinner for one night for you.
Yeah, right.
Look at this sucker. Look at this.
What is it? Is that a rooster?
Yeah, it's a rooster fish.
That is so pretty.
We all had a good time in Santo Domingo. Unfortunately, this group was parting ways. Half were continuing north, and the others were heading south into Bahia Concepcion to explore this amazing area.
It is officially hot hour, and it is not even 8 o'clock yet. So we are heading just 7-8 miles further into Bahia Concepcion. Not because we're trying to hide from the heat, because there's just absolutely no way for you to do that, but we want to hide from the bees because they are out of control. And it's a little bit more humid today, and we just want to explore a little bit more before we head further north. So that's what we're gonna do. Emma and Teal has already set up the spinnaker, so hopefully we can sail just straight on down.
A new place, a new home. for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. I know man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt.
It's not even 8 o'clock in the morning, and look at these ladies.
It's so hot. I feel like at this point, because we're drifting so slowly, that we should use the fan on our spinnaker. It would, I'm sure it would add a point something knot.
Hey, we're getting there.
No, it's nice.
It's nice and hot.
It's nice and hot. I'm so sticky.
Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way.
You all ready?
I'm ready. You ready?
Of course I am. Now we're on the hunt for some produce.
Good luck.
I know.
Looks like slim pickings on the beach.
I know, but I want to stay here. We're getting really, really dangerously low.
Well, jump in. Let's explore. See what's here.
Now remember, go fast, because that's our only way of having air conditioning.
What are you talking about? I know. We're out in the sun already. You sweat through your clothes in like 2 minutes.
If that. So we did not luck out on the produce.
No bueno.
No bueno. But they did say that there might be a little tienda in the next bay of Coyote.
Coyote.
They have a
we'll be
little
there in a
tienda,
couple
and we'll be
days.
there in a couple days. We should be fine. I just gotta get really creative. I do like my greens, but when in Rome, in this case, when in Mexico, we'll deal with it. Rice and beans and fish, right?
I'm going fishing now.
We're gonna eat good tonight.
Come on, my bride. Chariot awaits.
You know, when you get into the water, normally it's refreshing.
I know.
It feels like bath water.
I know.
Teal just dropped Emma and I off because we are doing a quick provision run in Mulahay. You have to call a taxi here because there is really nothing out here. And it's about a 15-minute drive, and we can get our stuff and come back here. But man, what a chore to get this thing done, just to get some groceries. Hola! All right, this is our taxi. ¿Cómo se llama?
Salvador.
Salvador.
Yeah, and also
Buenos
I do the
dias.
tour to the Cape Paintings. I'm a tour guide as well.
You're a tour guide too.
Yes.
Cool. All right. Well, thank you for coming to pick us up. Okay, we got some goodies. Got my eggs.
I love how the egg comes.
I know.
Let's set them in here. Let's put it right on the thread. Okay, jump in. Let's go.
We ended up spending nearly a week at Playa Santispac with 6 other cruising boats. We would spend the days in the water, finding creative ways to cool down.
You want me to get up on this one?
Yeah.
Okay, no judgment here. Super graceful. Like a beach whale.
You got it. Just roll over.
I can't, I got like bands getting in the way. Okay, there you go.
How did that happen?
Happens all the time. Okay. Ready?
Yep, I'm ready. It's a lot of a workout to relax, isn't it?
It sure is. Okay. There we go.
Are you in?
I'm in.
Okay.
I'm cocooned in. This is my favorite spot now.
Let me grab your margarita now.
And gathering on the beach late in the day to take advantage of the cool shade cast by the palapa roof at the beachside restaurant. Enjoying the fresh menu, and most importantly, staying hydrated.
Well, we're leaving Santispac. We're there a couple days, just relaxing in the sweltering weather. We're sailing off our anchor.
We sailed off our anchor.
So, well, we're sailing. How fast are we going?
We're doing a 1.1 knot.
That's okay. We're only going to the southern anchorage here, and it's I don't know, about 3 miles away. We'll be there soon enough. Looks like the wind's picking up out here anyway. But yeah, this has been a fun little stop, and we're looking for cooler weather, but I don't think it's coming.
1.4.
There we go. Hey, we're flying now.
Yes, we are.
What are we doing?
2 knots. Wow. Never been so excited in my life for 2 knots.
Okay, there's a couple obstacles we have to do on the way, or avoid on the way. Obviously, this island here, there's just a handful of other islands, but there's a reef, and it's low tide. You could just see it poking up right now. That is a dangerous one. At high tide, you cannot see that. But right now, in the daylight, looks pretty simple. Where are we going to? Coyote? Coyote, here we come. Oh. Are you sweating yet?
A little bit.
What are we making?
I don't actually feel like cooking today because it is so darn hot.
Not cooking, you're cooking over here.
I did. I made some flatbread. I thought I'd do something kind of simple. We have some smoked salmon in the freezer. I'm taking that out.
Oh God, yeah, frozen salmon sounds awesome right now.
No, it's defrosted. But
It
I
is
thought-
not.
Yeah, it is.
I'm putting it back in the freezer.
No, I made we're gonna have like a little meat and cheese, but salmon and cheese. Because it's too hot.
It's only 98 degrees and the water is 93.
So we're just doing something really simple. I
And-
made a garlic herb. We're gonna eat this. And some salmon and some flatbread. And that is it.
Sounds refreshing.
This is hot eating food.
We have all the fans in full force. What do you girls think? Is it warm enough?
Mexico.
Summer in Mexico.
It is 98 degrees Fahrenheit right now in the cabin.
And it's dark. The sun has gone down.
I say it's hot. Emma doesn't care.
It's time to eat.
Thanks for watching this week's episode of Onboard Lifestyle. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. A special thanks goes out to our wonderful patrons, whose support makes these videos possible. Join our crew if you can. With summer in full swing and the air and sea temperatures rising past our comfort zone, it's still worth it. The Sea of Cortez is breathtaking. Come back next week to see if we can make it out of Bahia Concepcion before we melt. See you then!